He was rejected from 30 jobs, failed multiple times, and had no tech background. Yet he built one of the biggest e-commerce empires in the world. He failed his college entrance exam twice, was rejected by KFC, and told he'd never succeed in business. This is not just a story of success. It's a story of perseverance, vision, and rewriting the rules of the game. Welcome to the journey of JackMa. JackMa, the man who never gave up. Jack Ma is one of the most famous businessmen in the world. He is the founder of Alibaba Group, one of the biggest e-commerce companies in China and the world. But Jack Ma did not become successful overnight. His journey was full of failures, rejections, and challenges. What makes his story special is that he never gave up, no matter how hard life got. Let's take a look at how a poor boy from China became one of the richest and most inspiring people in the world. Early life and struggles. Jack Ma was born in Hangzhou, China, in 1964. His real name is Ma Yun. He grew up in a poor family during a time when China was not as open to the world as it is today. As a child, Jack was not very good at math or science. He failed many exams in school. In fact, he failed his primary school exams twice and middle school exams 3 times. But Jack loved learning English. He used to ride his bicycle every morning for 40 minutes to a hotel near his home just to speak with foreign tourists and practice English. Through this, he not only improved his language skills, but also learned about the outside world. He even offered free tour guide services to foreigners so he could talk with them. Failures and rejections. Jack Ma's life was filled with rejections. After finishing high school, he applied to college but failed the entrance exam twice. On the 3rd try, he finally got accepted into Hangzhou Teachers Institute. After college, he applied to 30 different jobs, but was rejected by all. He even applied to work at KFC when it came to China. Out of 24 applicants, 23 were hired. Jack was the only one rejected. He also applied to Harvard University 10 times, and he was rejected all 10 times. Most people would give up after so many rejections, but not Jack. He always believed that one day he would do something big, discovering the internet. In 1995, Jack Ma went to the United States to help a friend with a business. While there, he used the internet for the first time. He searched for the word beer and saw results from many countries, but none from China. He then searched for China and again found very few results. That moment changed his life. Jack realized that China had no presence on the internet. He saw a big opportunity. He returned to China and decided to start an internet company to help Chinese businesses go online. Starting Alibaba. In 1999, Jack Ma gathered 18 of his friends in his small apartment and explained his idea, an online marketplace where small Chinese businesses could sell their goods to the world. Everyone believed in his dream, and together they started Alibaba. Jack was not a tech expert, and he didn't know much about business at that time. But he had a clear vision to help small businesses grow through the internet. In the beginning, it was very hard. Alibaba had no money, no reputation, and no users. Many people didn't believe in online shopping at the time. Jack had to face a lot of criticism, but he never gave up. He and his team worked day and night. They built trust with users by offering great service and free listings. Slowly, Alibaba began to grow. Big break and growth. In the early 2000s, Alibaba started getting attention. In 2005, the American company Yahoo invested $1 billion in Alibaba. This was a turning point. Alibaba used that money to grow faster and improve its services. They launched Taobao, an online shopping site like eBay, and Alipay, a payment system like PayPal. Both became huge successes in China. Jack's idea was working. Alibaba was now helping millions of small businesses connect with buyers. It became the Amazon of China. Alibaba goes public. In 2014, Alibaba became a global name when it had its initial public offering, IPO, in New York. It was the largest IPO in history at the time, raising $25 billion. Jack Ma became the richest man in China. But even then, he remained humble. He often said, "I never thought I would be rich. I just wanted to solve problems for people." Leadership and philosophy. Jack Ma is known not just for being rich, but for being a great leader and thinker. He believes in teamwork, learning from mistakes, and never giving up. Some of his most famous quotes are, "Never give up. Today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. If you don't give up, you still have a chance. Help young people. Help small guys, because small guys will be big." He also believed in creating jobs, not just profits. Under his leadership, Alibaba created millions of jobs in China, retirement, and giving back. In 2019, Jack Ma stepped down as the chairman of Alibaba. He said he wanted to focus on education and philanthropy. He started the Jack Ma Foundation to support education, the environment, and entrepreneurship. He believes that giving back to society is the most important thing after achieving success. Lessons from Jack Ma's life. Jack Ma's story teaches us many valuable lessons. 1. Never give up. Even if you fail many times, you can still succeed if you keep trying. 2. Believe in your dreams. Even if no one believes in you, your belief matters most. 3. Learn from failure. Jack Ma said, "I failed many times, but every failure taught me something." 4. Help others grow. Jack didn't just build a business for himself. He built a platform for millions. 5. Stay humble. Even after becoming rich and famous, Jack always stayed grounded. Jack Ma started with no money, no special skills, and faced many failures. But he had big dreams, a strong heart, and never gave up. Today, Alibaba is one of the biggest companies in the world, and Jack Ma is one of the most respected leaders. His journey from a small-town teacher to a global business icon shows us that anything is possible if we work hard, stay positive, and never stop learning. Jack Ma's life is proof that success is not about being perfect or lucky. It's about being brave enough to keep going. That shows you're serious about improving your English. Now it's your turn. Try speaking today's sentences out loud and practice daily. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy English lessons. And in the comments, tell me, what do you struggle with in English speaking? I reply to every comment. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep speaking.